Question 8. This question is of differential equation. The variables x and y satisfy the differential equation. dy over dx is equal to y square plus 4 over x into y plus 4. For x is greater than 0, it is given that x is equal to 4 when y is equal to 2 under root 3. Solve the differential equation to obtain the value of x when y is equal to 2. Solve the differential equation means we have to remove this differential. Dy over dx is also called the differential. These are the initial conditions which will be used to find the value of a constant of integration c. These initial conditions will be used to find c, that is integration constant of integration. Finally, we have to find the value of x when y is equal to 2. So first of all, we will rearrange and separate the area, or you can say that separating the variables are x and y. We will separate the variables. With x terms there will be dx, y terms will be attached by dy. This is the first step of differential equation. Differential equation is dy over dx y square plus 4 over x into y plus 4. Separating the variables by cross multiplying process, and this becomes y plus 4 over y square plus 4 dy, right side 1 over x with respect to x. This means that next second step is to integrate each side with respect to the corresponding variable. Clearly, the terms involving y are on the left hand side. With respect to y, we will integrate this. On the right hand side, x terms, we will integrate right hand side with respect to x. So we integrate each side. Now first we will write this fraction in this form. Each term, this is the denominator. In the numerator, there are two terms y plus 4. Each term of the numerator will be divided by this denominator. So we can write it as y over y square plus 4 plus 4 over y square plus 4. Now we integrate it with respect to y. Right side simply remains the same because we can direct integrate it by using log. Now we will integrate each fraction separately, so we will write it as integration of y over y square plus 4 with respect to y plus 4 integration of 1 over 4 plus y square. We can write it as, because we have to use here a formula. Also we will use here a specific formula with respect to y, right side same 1 over x with respect to integration of 1 over x with respect to x. Now, for first integral, this which is indicated here, the formula will be used. This is formula I am writing here, the formula which will be used here. Integration of, if there is a function in the denominator, in the numerator, there is a derivative of this function f dash x. Integration as a whole of this fraction will be log of fx. Integration will be log of the function. So if we are taking this, I am discussing the first integral, which is this, which is highlighted. If we take y square plus 4 as a function, the derivative of this function will be 2y. But there is only y. We need 2 here. So we multiply and divide by 2 to make a format like this. So we can write it as 1 multiplying and dividing by 2, 2y over y square plus 4. Now it will be easily integrated with respect to y. Now the second integral, here another formula will be used. This formula is used here. We can write it as uh, uh, we are making just a format. Y square plus 2 is a function. The derivative of y square plus 4 is 2y. Now easily it can be integrated by using this formula. Now for this integral, we will use this formula. Integration of 1 over a square plus x square. Clearly these are the denominator, two terms or two square terms are adding. One term is a constant, other is a involving variable. So integration of this type of fraction will be 1 over a tan inverse x over a. This formula will be used in this integral. So first of all, we will write 4. We can write 4 as a 2 square plus y square. Now clearly the format is same with respect to y. Now in place of a there is 2, in place of x the variable here is y. So we are using this formula. Right side will be 1 over x, integration of 1 over x with respect to x. Now we will integrate. First integral will be equal to 1 over 2 integration of 2y over y square plus 2 will become log y square plus 2 according to the formula. Next will be, next integral will be, it will be integrated by using the other formula which I have written here, plus 4 1 over a tan inverse x over a. Here the variable is y, so we will write y over 2. On the right hand side, 1 over x integration of 1 over x is log x plus c. This c is a constant of integration. Now we will simplify it. 1 over 2 log y square plus 4 cancel out. 2 tan inverse y over 2 is equal to log x plus c. Let this is equation A for reference. Now we will apply the initial conditions, and its initial conditions in the start of the questions are given. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 under root 3. Actually, these values x and y are the coordinates of any point which lie on this curve. So these are called initial conditions. X is equal to 4 when y is equal to 2 under root 3. Now in place of x, we will put 4. In place of y, we are putting 2 under root 3 here. Then this will become 1 over 2 log 12 plus 4 plus 2 tan inverse 2 under root 3 over 2 is equal to log 4 plus c. Further simplification, 1 over 2 log 16 plus 2 tan inverse cancel out. 2 tan inverse under root 3 is equal to log 4 plus c. Now the first term can be written as 1 over 2 log. We can write 16 as 4 square. Now using the log property, this 2, that is power, will come down in the start of the log. This becomes 2 over 2, that is 1. So we will write log 4. After simplifying, we get this 4 because this 2 will be here and will be cancelled. Log 4 plus 2, the value of tan inverse under root 3 will be pi by 3. Right side log 4 plus c. Log 4 from both sides cancel out. We get finally the value of c is the value of c from here is 2 pi by 3. Now we will put this value of c in equation 1, in equation A, sorry. We will put this value of c in equation A here. It becomes from equation A, we get 1 over 2 log y square plus 4 plus 2 tan inverse y over 2 is equal to log x plus 2 pi by 3. Now actually we have to find the value of x when y is equal to 2. Now further simplification. Now we will put this value of x is equal to y is equal to 2 here to find the value of x. This becomes 1 over 2 log 4 plus 4 plus 2 tan inverse 2 over 2. We are putting y is equal to 2 here. 2 tan inverse 2 over 2 is equal to log x plus 2 pi by 3 1 over 2 log 8 plus pi by 2 and 2 over 2 is 1 tan inverse 1 that is pi by 4 by using calculator 1 over 2 log 8 plus 2 into pi by 4 is equal to log x plus 2 pi by 3. This will be cancelled out. We get we will make no the x term as a subject. X term is log x, so we are making log x as the subject. It will be log x is equal to 1 over 2 log 8 plus pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. Now simplifying it by taking LCM, these two terms will be pi by 6. So finally log x will be 1 over 2 log 8 minus pi by 6. Pi by 6 is from uh, subtracting these two terms, simplifying we get pi by 6. Now using here calculator, on the right hand side we will calculate it by the calculator. We get log x is equal to 0.516. Now we will take anti-log. We know that in log x is a natural log. Here the base is e, so we can write e power 0.51 x is equal 0.516 e power 0.516 is equal to this x. Anti-log process, we will write x is equal to e power 0.516. Finally, calculating this, we get answer is x is equal to 1.68 correct to three significant figures. This is the answer. X is equal to 1.68.